Here I've got Motorola One Vision, and let me show you how to activate and use TalkBack on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick accessibility, it is located right here, and now under screen readers you will find TalkBack. So just click here, and if you want to activate TalkBack, which will provide you with spoken feedback so you can use your device without looking at the screen, just tap on the switcher. And then allow. Here you can go through the short tutorial, but basically all you have to do is to do what is written right here. So let us hear.
So that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or have low vision. To navigate using TalkBack, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off TalkBack, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK in list 2 items.
So as you can see, now you know how TalkBack works, you can smoothly check it. So just mark it, double tap, and then we can go back here to switch it off. So to switch it off you have to click on this icon and double tap to turn it off, confirm that you would like to stop it, and that's it. So this is it, this is how you can activate TalkBack in your phone and your Motorola One Vision. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.